today's learning goal is, I know that different containers have different capacities. Hello everyone. Today we're still talking about capacity, which is the measurement of how much a container can hold inside. For today's job, you're going to need to find 3 different containers. You're going to need to find different sized ones. So here's the 3 I'm going to use. I have a Tupperware, I had an ice cream bin recycling, and I have a big bowl. So I'm going to ask you to pause and go find your 3 containers and then come back. Oh, there's a giant and he's very hungry. If the giant wants to eat a lot of food, which container should he choose? For his giant appetite, which of my 3 containers do you think would be best for the giant? So which of these 3 do you think would be best to feed a giant? So I would say it's the one with the biggest capacity, the one that can hold the most. So I would recommend this one to the giant if he was gonna want a big meal. I don't know which 3 containers you have, but the biggest one, the one you think that holds the most, would be the best one to feed the giant. Now you've got your 3 containers here. I want you to think, which one do you think has the biggest capacity? So for me, I think it's this one. Which one has the smallest capacity? I think it's this one. And which one is our medium today? I would say it's this one. And for today's activity, I want you to take your one with the smallest capacity, so that's this one for me, and put it aside, because we're going to do an activity with the other 2. I want you to estimate, make a good guess, and what I want you to guess is how many of these full of water do you think it will take to fill the capacity of this one? Do you have your guess? My guess? Ooh, I'm going to say 10 is my guess for me, my estimate, and now I'm going to test it and find out. Remember our measurement charts? I set one up here, and the thing we're measuring today is the big bowl. And I already made my estimate. I guessed that it will be 10 of that medium-sized container to fill up my bowl. Let's go find out. Now let's see. So here's my small one. I'm doing this outside so I don't make a mess inside. That's 1 full medium capacity. I'm gonna dump it in my big one. 1. 2. 3. Oh, it's actually overflowing here. So I'm actually at capacity after 3. So the capacity of this container is 3 of my medium-sized ones. I want you to try it home with your containers. And remember, you don't use a small one. It's going to take a long time if you do. Use the medium and use the big one. So my estimate of 10 was way off. It was only 3. But that's okay, because the more we estimate and measure, the better we get. Enjoy your math today.